I believe in the power of the human mind. As Aristotle said, the energy of the mind is the essence of life. Living well starts with thinking well. Life is about knowing who we are as we unlock our potential. It's about recognizing the reasons behind our choices and understanding the cause of our actions. Cultivate wise thinking to discover better living, because it's the way you think that defines the way you live. We will be your mentors, but Aristotle is our guide, and local experts are your wise examples. Rethink your thinking with our experiential seminars. Explore a true sense of self by finding value in your experiences. Unlock your possibilities by making wise choices. Create your personal path by taking purposeful action. Empower yourself by creating a life that's the result of your thinking. Activate your personal wisdom and bring out your best.